Hello everyone! In this episode of HaPi in Japan, we're going to feature Mount Fuji.
No.
Sushi,
No.
anime,
No.
Snacks, The dagashiya is a type of store that boomed in the Showa era of Japan and was children's salvation as the stores stocked items that they could afford with their pocket money. Dagashiya sell dagashi, cheap snacks that are around 10 to 50 yen. They can range from candies, chocolates, savory snacks, pastries, traditional sweets, and others. They come in cute or colorful packaging, and there's usually some sort of playfulness to them. Because of their ubiquity and cheap prices, school children would flock to their local dagashiya as they come home from school. The dagashiya thus became a sort of community center for children that played an important role in society. Unfortunately, as convenience stores became more and more popular and children got bigger allowances due to the rapid growth of Japan's economy, the old but trusty dagashiya started to fall out of favor. By the middle of the Heisei era, very few were around. How sad! Why are we featuring this now anyway if they're all gone?
Fortunately, the dagashiya have recently been making a comeback of sorts.
Really?
Fueled by nostalgic adults from the Showa era, like me, recent years have seen an uptick in what we can only call the modern dagashiya.
That's interesting. Let's try them out.
So, we went to the dagashiya and we bought 30 plus items and we're going to eat them all and rate them all on a 5-star scale. 1 star being not so good, while 5-star being, yeah, amazing.
And because we'll be eating a lot of snacks, we need something to wash it down. And what better drink for this purpose than green tea?
Kanpai! We're starting this eating session with this one. It's called Mixu Mochi. Yeah, it's just fruit flavored gummy candies. And let's see. Oh, there's a toothpick as well. Okay, Ida, you want to try the first bite?
Yes. So you use the toothpick to get the gummy. But the toothpick is also difficult to get. Okay. What are the flavors? There's pink, green, and yellow.
Pink, green, and yellow.
I think maybe green is
strawberry.
No, green.
Oh, green. Lime,
Lime.
lemon.
Hopefully lime.
Green
I
apple.
Like lime. It's green apple.
Mine's strawberry. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. So it's good, chewy.
Not too sweet.
Yeah, not too sweet. Fruity.
I'm
gonna try the yellow one.
I think it's pineapple.
I don't know what the yellow one is, but it's also good.
I think it's pineapple because there's pineapple on the
here. Pineapple.
There's pineapple on the
An apple.
label.
I'll give this a solid 4 out of 5.
Me too. It's 4 out of 5. The next one is just a regular marshmallow. How is this special? It's a big marshmallow. Okay, let's try it. I guess you can just Wait, I want to show you how big it is. Ah, look at that.
It's a chunky boy.
It's a chunky marshmallow. Alright, I'm gonna eat it now.
Ah.
Mmm.
Dense. This is one dense marshy. It's dense. It's marshmallow. It's three stars.
3 stars. It's just a regular marshmallow. Actually, nothing special, but I mean, it's a good marshmallow.
Next up is this orangey marble fusen gum. It's just bubble gum in bite-sized marble shapes. Let's see. Packaging. Packaging will be the death of me. They look like this. One escaped. One is dead. Alright, here you are.
And it looks like this.
Oh! That orange burst of flavor is real.
Very orangey.
Yeah. Whoa.
It's like a real orange in gum flavor.
Yeah. 4 out of 5. Yeah.
Can we give 0.5?
I suppose.
4.5 stars.
Yeah. Wow.
Like a real orange.
That surprised me, but yeah.
Our next item is, it's called Puku Puku Thai Choco. So it's a Thai fish. The name of the fish is Thai. Is that right? Yeah, so this is Thai fish, but this is the biscuit and chocolate version.
Yeah, it's a reference to taiyaki, which is a traditional Japanese dessert of like some kind of pastry with anko bean paste inside. But this one has chocolate filling in it.
It also says there's calcium inside.
Ooh, calcium. Strong bones. That's what we need. Yeah, look at that. It's a fish. It's a fish. I'm a fish.
It's so cute.
I'm a fish. I'm going to bite it.
You bit off the head. Good.
This is one of my absolute favorite flavors here in Japan. Solid 5 out of 5. 5. Fishy snack is good. 5.
It's wafer and chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very.
It's really good.
Very airy, very light. Yeah. I wish we bought more of those. Up next is our first savory treat. This one is called Yo-chan. Yeah, this is one of the most popular dagashi. It's basically cut up dried squid. I'm not sure if Ida would take a liking to this, but let's see.
I do like squid.
See, it's like that. It's red slices of squid.
Yo-chan.
Yeah, it's a bit sour. The squid is soft. 4 out of 5 for me.
Why is it sour?
Oh, it's vinegary.
You said it was savory.
Well, you know, savory. You know, salty and sour.
I think this is a 2. 2.
Ida doesn't know what she's talking about. It's like the perfect beer food. Nah.
And moving back to something sweet after that sour ordeal. Although I think this is also a bit sour. It's called yoguru. I guess that's because it's yogurt inspired. It's not yogurt, but it has a little bit of a yogurt flavor. Actually, what is it? Is it cream?
Yeah, some sort of cream that's a bit sour and sweet at the same time. This one's orange.
And this one's flavor says flour.
Flour. Ooh.
So I wonder how it tastes.
You get a little wooden spoon with it.
Yeah, you get this one.
Looks like that.
Can you see it? It looks like whipped cream inside.
Oh!
It's like whipped cream.
It's it's how you imagine a fruity cloud would taste like. Yeah, I give this. Yeah, I have to give this another 4.
I think this is apple. I think.
Apple. Yeah. Not too sour, not too sweet.
Yeah, not too sour, not too sweet. I'm gonna give this a 4 also. Can you taste the orange?
Yeah. The texture is
out
the
of this
texture
world.
is weird. What is this texture?
Good weird.
Yeah. Like, you need a bigger bottle. This is enough. This tiny bottle is a tease. So the next item seems very interesting. It's called Puchi Uranai, which means mini fortune telling.
Ooh, fortune telling. Can it tell if we're gonna win the lottery?
One of the things here says money, so I suppose so.
Which one says money?
This one.
Oh, okay. So
Green
there are names here of topics, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
All sorts. Yeah. Health, popularity, dating, marriage.
Okay, and this one says money.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna pop it. It's difficult.
It's out. It's out.
It's out. Okay. Oh no! There's an X. Well, I guess it's difficult to see, but there's an X.
And there's a legend there. X means no luck
Bad.
for you.
Oh
yeah.
no! So that means we're not gonna win the lottery.
No, we're not. What is it though? Chocolate?
It's chocolate.
Yeah.
But it's pretty good chocolate. It's like M&M's. It's a candy coating and chocolate inside. It's pretty good.
Right. I want to know my fortune regarding popularity. Yeah.
Are we gonna go viral?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. And mine says, okay, so just for evidence, even though you can't see it probably, it's a double circle, which means very good.
Very good.
Yeah. Yay.
This is a 3 out of 5 for me. Oh wait.
The candy itself is like 3 out of 5.
The candy is 3 out of 5, but the experience.
Yeah. It's fun, you know.
Yeah, I think it's really fun.
All right.
Experiences.
Yeah, I'll give it an extra point.
I'm gonna give it
for the playfulness factor. Yeah.
So 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. So the next item is something you might be familiar with. Actually, I've already tried this in the Philippines, and I know they have this in other countries too. It's Pop Rocks. Pop Rocks.
The Japanese version of Pop Rocks.
The Japanese version. This one is orange flavor, and this one is soda flavor.
I'll get the soda one.
Okay, and I'll get the orange one.
It's been years since I last had Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks.
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
There's also like Ramune candy inside.
Yeah, it's not just the Pop Rocks, but there's also Ramune candy inside. Can you see it? There's Ramune candy inside. Good.
Yeah. This one really takes me back. Yeah. I've always liked Pop Rocks, so I'll give this another 4 out of 5.
I'm gonna say 5 out of 5 because this is also nostalgic to me in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I had Pop Rocks with my cousins.
So I mentioned the word ramune earlier. Let me explain to you what they are using these next items. Ramune is essentially like pill-like candies that are powdery and has soda-like fizzy sweet sour flavor, if you get my meaning. Yeah,
So it's a bit like Pop Rocks.
it's a bit like Pop Rocks, except it doesn't pop. Yeah,
Oh.
but it's I don't know if there's anything equivalent to it. Like in the Philippines, there's nothing close to it. Is there?
I don't think so.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
We'll
This one has a kampai, yay, beer mug.
It's a beer mug, and this is a mini Coca-Cola, but it's not. It's not cola flavored, is it?
Maybe it is. Yeah. Ramune comes in all sorts of extra flavors, so let's see.
Let's find out. Oh, they're small.
Yeah. They usually look like medicine. Yeah. Yeah. I cannot open mine. I cannot open the beer mug. Oh, there it is. Yours is mine's a bit bigger.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's
It's
small.
like that. Yeah.
I think this is cola flavored because it's kind of brown. Oh no.
Yeah.
It's kind of brown, so I think it's cola flavored.
Let's see.
Yep. It's cola flavored.
Ah, there it is. The name ramune is derived from a Japanese carbonated drink called ramune, and that one is like inspired by lemonade, although the two are very, very much not alike.
So this one tastes a bit citrusy. And this is cola flavored. You want to try?
Yeah. Very cola. Very much like cola in candy form.
This is kind of sour. Okay, what's your rating?
Oh, ramune is just one of those things that I grew up with, so 5.
I'm gonna say 4. Yeah. I mean, I didn't grow up with it, but since coming to Japan, I've had quite a lot of ramune, and there are a lot of ramune flavored drinks and ramune flavored snacks.
Yeah.
So it's 4. It's 4 for me. It's really good.
We had the ramune flavored donut, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
So yeah, it's really
It's everywhere in Japan.
it's everywhere in Japan. This next one, it says Sakura Daikon, but actually I don't know what it is. Daikon is radish. What's Sakura? And it's orange.
Yeah, the sakura just comes from the color. It's more like pinkish orange. Yeah. It's daikon, Japanese radish that's pickled in sweet and sour concoctions. Tasty.
Is it really? It
Yeah.
doesn't look tasty. But let's try it.
Packaging's hard to open,
It's
but
hard to open.
she got it. Yay! It's another chunky boy.
What is it?
It's real daikon.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's real radish.
It's not just the name. Yeah, it's radish.
It's so bright. The color is so.
Yeah, it's translucent.
Yeah. I can smell it.
Taste of my childhood right there.
It's a snack.
It's a kid snack. Kids love this.
It's a kid's snack.
Yeah.
What? It's so sour.
It's crunchy. It's good enough to eat with rice. Right?
It's so sour. That's a one out of 5 for me. No, I don't like it.
I kind of expected that rating from Ida, but for me,